Hey, it's Tina, RV Minus Man. Just want to give a tip on changing your Karen anode rod.
Did you say Karen?
Yeah, Karen's here.
Oh.
'Cause it's Tina and Karen.
Yeah,
Right?
hi y'all.
Yeah. But anyway, the anode rod, whatever. Who cares how you say it? But anyway, you change it in your hot water heater, and I suggest you change it every 6 months to every year. I do mine every year, and it's in bad shape when I do change it. But it's in here with your hot water heater, and you have to have a special size socket. And it is, and I use my drill here and hooked it all up because it's hard to get off. And all the directions are on the box, and it tells you get a 1 1/16 inch socket wrench.
Yeah.
And it was still hard to get it off. I had to really push hard, but be careful because when it does it, it sprays you everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And it says on here that that's how you drain the hot water heater and to step back. Well, I'm gonna tell you what, it comes so fast you don't know. You're just covered in lime and rust and water before you know it. So try to be careful about that. But it's right here. It's this. I just changed it.
Mm-hmm.
Come over here, Karen.
Yeah, alrighty.
Right there. That's where it goes. You take that off. It's a long rod. See, fits in here. And when you take it out, it will be all eaten up from rust and lime and everything. And so then you flush it out by just spraying the water all in there, and it just flushes it all out, and you're done. I try to do that every 6 months to a year. I do it every winter, but there you go. All right, thanks.